Is this your homework, Larry? Is this your homework, Larry?
Look, man.
Do, please. Is this your...
What's going on, everybody? Johnny here with another Bitcoin update. So this trade we entered in yesterday, so we had a buy order right here at this horizontal array at 12,856. We came down, we had a little drawdown. Again, stop loss is down below this here horizontal array that lines up right with the 50 simple moving average on the 2 hour. Now the simple 50 SMA is up a little higher, so we will go ahead and just leave our stop loss in place where it's at. We will go ahead and readjust this lower trend line to make up for the move in price action, and we'll go ahead and extend this one out. Now I am still expecting the same targets as we were yesterday, so this trade is still alive and well. So let's take a look at a few things to see if we can get some insight into where Bitcoin's price may be going. And first we'll check out the dollar, the DXY, and see where that is currently. Let's go ahead and shut off all of these indicators because they really don't work. RSI does. We could use the simple moving averages as well, but we'll turn those back on in a minute. Currently though, the dollar looks like it's in a tremendous downturn again. Since what is this? Since the 25th of September, the dollar's down a little over 2%. Bitcoin is up about 20%, so that makes sense. A while ago, I posted an idea on Tradingview that talks about the correlation, or the inverse correlation rather, between gold and silver, Bitcoin, and the dollar index. And right now, it looks like the dollar is going to head down a little further, which is great news for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and take a look at gold. Actually, the gold and silver index, and it looks like it seems to be semi-similar to the way Bitcoin has been performing, minus not. So Bitcoin's been doing a little bit better than this index, but this index isn't dropping. But this does look like a pretty bearish formation it's got going on right now. This bearish stance is characteristic of this rounded top, which usually means once it gets to a certain point there will be a breakdown. So I won't really do any in-depth technical analysis there. Let's go ahead and go back to the Bitcoin chart. It's actually, let's see, Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin CME futures. Boom. We'll go ahead and switch to bars to see what kind of gaps we may have made. So right now the price is at $13,000, and there's currently a gap above us, not very far above us. It's right at about it's like $43. So that that will likely not be there through the weekend. However, depending on where Bitcoin opens up on Sunday night, we could get another gap below us as far as the CME goes. So back to Bitcoin. Back to the trade that we are in. Let's get rid of these candles. Heiken Ashi. And again, here is the trade that we are in. So just to make this a little easier for you guys to read, so we'll do a long position. Did I pick a long position? We entered the trade right here. Stop loss is right there, and our first take profit is right there. Now, as far as the risk reward ratio, 2.36 is pretty good. We're about a little over 3% on our stop loss. This is a very effective trade. I would not recommend using leverage unless you really know what you're doing. I don't really get into those very detailed leverage trading plans here, just because I don't like to see a lot of people lose money, and that's typically what happens. But this is where we're at right now. Currently the price is what? The price is $12,957. We are in profit just a little bit, not too much, but hopefully over the weekend we can get some big moves and see this first take profit order filled. The second one again will be up here, so we'll take about half of our profit here, and we'll take the second half here. Once we meet this level here though, and we do see price close at least an hour or a 2 hour candle above this major trend line, then we will go ahead and move our stop loss here. So, all right, guys, this is Johnny. Thanks for dropping in. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow with more trade updates. Thanks again. Bye.